have just completed a brief inspection of the Kansauli PHC, which is now, I can say, ready for the given times. As we went from different places in the hospital, doctor has informed me that the casualty will deal with the regular emergencies, while the first floor and the second floor is specifically for the comorbid COVID patients. Okay, and I think testing also for COVID will be done, but this testing will be done in the basement. And all the necessary infrastructure has been put in place, and I think it is my bounden duty to thank Dr. Sukot, who has been working not just a few days ago, but from a long time. Actually, officially, the hospital was declared as a step-up COVID center from the 4th of May. But much before that, the Honorable Chief Minister and the Health Minister have been discussing the infrastructure to be put in place at the hospital with Dr. Sukor. And Dr. Sukor, I can say, has followed all their instructions to the T, and I think I am glad that this infrastructure was ready at a time when it is needed most. Hospitals are meant to save lives, and therefore I am glad that this hospital is there for the need, because we need to do everything within our capacity. And I think all these doctors here present are working, I can say, almost round the clock to ensure that the medical attention that the COVID patients need to be given will be given. And I thank all the doctors, and I thank Dr. Sukor in particular, and I also thank the government, especially the Honorable Chief Minister and the Health Minister, who have made sure that this infrastructure was given special attention and made ready for the purpose.
With the permission of our Director of Health Service and the Government of Goa, our Primary Health Center Kansauli will be starting from tomorrow. Casualty services will be given for the public 24/7, which will start by tomorrow 8 o'clock. As for the two hospitals, the government is going to start step-up hospital for COVID patients, which are COVID positive patients with comorbid condition, or where patient require with the oxygen level normal and require fever rising up and not control. Those patients will be admitted here and managed, and if accordingly decision will be taken to refer to further centers. Here also we are going to do the testing. The presently testing was done at private rented house. The testing for the COVID patient will be done from morning 9 to 1 o'clock till we finish whatever the patient we have, and that will be ground floor. All arrangements are made. So in short, we going to start all this our new hospital from tomorrow for the